Alright, this is for the spacer plate. Go to New, English, Standard Inches IPT, Create. This is also Chapter 2.2. I'm going to open up my origin. I'm going to go to Sketch. I'm going to choose this plane. I'm going to look at this plate and I see the overall length at the bottom is 8 minus 2.5, which will be 5.5. So I'm going to go to Line. I'm going to start at my origin. I'm going to go over 5.5 inches. Use my middle button to scroll out, hold it down and move it over and center it up. Then I'm going to go in the direction of up, and I'm going to go 2.5. I'm going to scroll out, line it up that way, and go 2.5. Once we get going here, you'll see it take shape. Now I have a 5.5 dimension and a 2.5 dimension, so I have to subtract 2.5 from 5.5, and that's going to give me 3. So I know I got to go up 3, enter. Scroll out, hold it down, pan it over, zoom it in, and at that point I'm going to stop here and hit escape because I want to go back to this side. I'm going to go to Line, get my green point, click it, go up 6.5, enter. Go over to the right 6.5, enter. And now all I have to do is just close that out. There's no guesswork to that. And that's pretty much my perimeter is already complete. Now I have 2 holes in the center of this part that I have to locate. I'm going to start with that larger one, the 2.5 inch diameter. So I'm going to grab a circle, come down here somewhere, click, type in 2.5 diameter, and I'm going to go to my dimension, and I'm going to go from the bottom to the center is going to be 3.0, or you can just type 3 and enter. Now from this side to the center is going to be 2.5, enter. Now I have that located. Remember, a circle or a hole is always going to have 3 dimensions. You're going to have your X dimension, you're going to have your Y dimension, and you're going to have a diameter or radius. So I'm going to go back to circle, come up here anywhere, arbitrarily pick a spot, and that is going to be 1.5 diameter, 1.5, enter. I'm going to choose my dimension command. From this line to the center, we'll drop that right in there. It's going to be 5. Enter. And from the very top line to this line, to that center of the circle, is going to be 1.5 also. Enter. Now I have all my dimensions completed for a 2D sketch. So I'm going to go Finish Sketch. And again, I think I'm going to change my planes next time. I'm just going to turn that around the way it looks in the book. Put a little slope on it like that. Go to Extrude. Click in the area here. And it tells me for that part, the spacer plate thickness is 1/8 of an inch. So I'm going to type 0.125, enter. And now you have that part completed, which is 2.2. So save this, and again, save this in a directory where all your parts and all your drawing files are located. So you want all of these in the same directory. And again, refer back to video 2 to complete your IDW and turn that in as a grade. Thanks.